So today we will be doing an in-game ankle tape. So first you want to start by having the patient dorsiflex his foot in order to keep the ankle locked out. When you're pre-wrapping, you want to start at the bottom of the gastrocnemius and tape that. You want to make sure there's no skin exposed. This is just a comfort issue. You don't want to rip any of his leg hair off. Then you're going to take your tape. When you anchor, you want to start lateral side to medial side, and you kind of want to tilt the tape around the back so it comes up top to a point, like so. I'm going to repeat that 2 times, making sure you go lateral to medial. And you're doing the same thing down here on the bottom of the foot, anchoring this down. Okay, now you're going to make stirrups. Stirrups, you want to go lateral to medial also, finishing coming up so this heel stays locked in, making sure he still dorsiflexes his foot. You want to pull that tight coming up around the medial side, like so that foot stays locked in there. Just smooth everything out. You want to repeat this 2 to 3 times with a slight overlap. Like so. After you get that done, you want to anchor again at the top, making sure still going lateral medial. Anchor this at the top so this tape stays down. Then you're going to add another anchor just above the ankle, right in the middle here. Just another precautionary, it's an optional anchor. Alright, so now we're going to do a heel lock. So with the heel lock, this is to keep the ankle locked in this position like this, limiting the mobility here. Alright, so you want to start, you're starting here at this middle anchor, coming around the Achilles, down here, around the bottom of the foot, and coming back up to the top, like that. You're going to repeat that twice a side, just for precautionary measures. So that should keep the heel locked in like that. Now we're going to do a figure 8. The figure 8. So before you start, you want to anchor down those heel locks. And the figure 8s are similar to the heel lock in that you're coming around the bottom of the foot and anchoring back up, but you're going the opposite direction. So you're coming here, starting here, coming around the bottom of the foot, up around the Achilles, and then back up to your starting point. So you're going to want to repeat that on both sides, probably 2 times. Like that. So once you get that done, you're going to want to add another anchor to keep those figure 8s in place. here. So now what we're going to do is we're going to cover up our work here. So pretty much here, you also want to go lateral medial on this cover up here, especially down at the bottom of the foot, trying to keep that foot locked in on the outside here like this. So once you kind of cover up your work, you might want to just take a strip like this, come around the back of the heel, and then back up here, covering it up. Then that way you cover up the heel pre-wrap, and it gives you a start up here. These ones, you want to go medial lateral on these cover-up strips at the top of the leg. Just a little easier to do it that way. And there you go. That's a quick in-game ankle tape.